Welcome back, guys, and here is how to require a user to change their password on next logon in Windows. To do this, go to the Start menu, Run, type in lusrmgr.msc, press Enter, then go to Users, then choose the user you want required to enter the password on next sign-in, then check User must change password on next logon, and then click OK. Now I'll go and demonstrate it by signing in as that user. Then if we try to sign in as them, we get the message, you are required to change your password at first logon, and then we get the change password dialog. And we can just enter a new password. And then you just get the message, your password's been changed. And then you can log in as normal. And the end.